Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to you. So pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right, guys. So this is my second BoxyCharm box. This is the June 2021 BoxyCharm box, and the title of this one is Dare to Dazzle. Razzle dazzle. All right, so I'm just gonna hop right into it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products, and it's definitely over $100 worth of products for $25. If you haven't already, I will leave an iCard above for you to watch if you haven't watched it already. My May BoxyCharm box that I received, a friend of mine referred BoxyCharm to me. So far, I love it. This box was definitely more skincare than the last box. The last box was more makeup. But again, if you haven't heard about BoxyCharm, which I don't know how you haven't, but they, you go to their website, you fill out a profile, and they'll send you products based on your response. So let's just hop right into it. We're gonna go, first is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. And that is this here. I have not tried any of these products yet, but I'll report back. This is a targeted treatment, rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. This retails for $85. Girl, $85. Again, this entire box was only $25. Crazy, right? Right. Good things about Sunday Riley. So we're just gonna leave that right there. Next up is the Nars Matte Lip Pencil. I don't even think I've even opened this one yet. Let's see what color. It is in the color, because I told them I like neutral lips. So it is in the color Dolce Vita. Dolce Vita, but it's kind of like a brick red. I'll do some close-ups. It looks really pretty. Yeah, that's Dolce Vita. And that retails for $27. And next up is True Plus Luscious Flower Dose Up Eye and Lip Serum. I'm probably going to give this away because, girl, I already got full lips. Okay, I don't need any more lip plumping. My lips are plumped naturally. Okay. But it also does say eye serum. I don't know, if one of my girlfriends doesn't want it, then I'll definitely keep it for the eye serum benefits because I could always use that. But for the lip plumping, I'm not really sure. But it is really cool. I actually opened this one up already to look at it. It looks like a syringe kind of deal, and I think you just rub it around your eyes out here or around your lips. Again, I don't need any lip plumping, so this one is $34. This is the Luna Magic Beauty Va Boom Pink Lash Primer. Here, I'm not really sure how I feel about a pink lash primer. Why does it even need to be pink if it's gonna be a primer? But whatever. Yeah, let's see what it looks like. I didn't open this one. Whoa, look at that. It's like a baby pink. I don't know, I have to try that out too and see how I feel about it. See if it takes my lashes to the next level. Let me smell it. Ew. It smells like paint. Yikes. That'd be interesting to try. Pretty excited about that. This is a new launch and it's $25. Girl, $25. Sheesh. And last but not least is the Brow Bar by Rima Brow Lights Camera Action Duo Brow Highlighter. Let's see. So it's like a pencil on one end that's kind of broken. Come on, BoxyCharm. And then it's kind of another pencil on this. So this is the light side. One matte point for a softer blend, and another for a shimmery finish to highlight under brow and brighten brow lights. Interesting. Made in Anaheim. Okay, I've never heard of Rima Beauty. I'll have to do a little research on Rima. So far, I mean, all in all, I would say the Sunday Riley product alone was definitely worth the box. Some of these other products, I mean the Nars, I do like Nars, so that's okay, but I like a long wear lipstick, so I mean I'll still wear it. But all in all, I say this product alone was worth the entire box. The other products were hit or miss. But yeah, if you guys received the BoxyCharm box for June, let me know what you thought about it as well. Or if you guys know a lot about these products, give me some tips below and let me know what you thought about them, if you think I'll like them. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.